Today, I'll show you how to change your Bereal password. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. Bereal does not use a normal password system like many other apps. Bereal's Help Center shows account access under login/signup with verification code articles, and I could not find an official Bereal feature for changing a password. In other words, Bereal account access is normally tied to your phone number and a verification code, not a password you can reset or update. So if you're trying to change your password, the closest thing in Bereal is simply signing in again with your phone number and using the text message verification code that Bereal sends you. Bereal's official help says it is impossible to create an account or log in to an existing one without entering the correct verification code. That means there is no separate password screen to edit the way you would in apps like Facebook or Instagram. Now, if your real issue is account security, the most important thing is to protect the phone number linked to your Bereal account. Since Bereal uses phone verification, keeping control of that number is what protects access to the account. If you get an unexpected verification code, Bereal also has a Help Center article specifically about receiving a code when you didn't request it, which shows that code-based login is part of the normal Bereal system. If you changed your phone number and want to keep using the same Bereal account, Bereal says you need to request a phone number transfer. Their help center says you must send your previous number, your new number, your original Bereal username, and your date of birth so they can verify your identity and move the account. That is the closest official Bereal process to updating account access details. And if you still need help accessing your account, Bereal says you can contact support directly. Their official contact page says you can message contact@bereal or contact them through the app by going to your profile, tapping the three-dot menu, choosing help, and then contact us. So, in simple terms, you can't really change a Bereal password because Bereal does not use a standard password login system. Instead, you sign in with your phone number and verification code, and if your number changed, you need to request a number transfer through Bereal support, and that's how to change your Bereal password. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.